What's up, guys? So I got another one from Myfirstwig. I just love their packaging. It's just so bougie and elite. So they sent me a few sample products that you can add onto your order. These are 2 headbands that they sent me. They also sent me the wig kit and newly added edge control and an edge brush as well. So this is the angel wig. It is like 2C to 3A type curl. That's what they put on there, but it kind of seems like 3B to me-ish. I think it could pass for that. But this is the inside of the cap. It has sliding combs around the perimeter. And I also like that they added plastic over the Velcro so it doesn't snag to the hair. And then also, as you can see, it has adjustable straps in there. So this is what the edge control looks like when you open it up. It feels very lightweight, but once you put it on your hair, like that thing sticks. Like I was not expecting this edge control to do the job that it is doing. Like this really got my edges together. Now, yes, my edges were already done from the day before, kinda, but my hair is extremely thick. Like my hairline's not a real wispy baby hair like hairline. Like I have to work on these swoops. So the fact that this got me together with no extra help, I was like, okay, they was bringing it with these products. But that's why I like Myfirstwig. They always come with it with the quality. So once I started putting the wig on, the first thing I started to check for was the fit. And I felt like this was pretty all head friendly size headband wig. So I think no matter if you have a bigger head or a smaller head, you can make this work for you. I wised up this time because usually I be trying to like let the Velcro fight with the hair because it can kind of get stuck to the hair a lot of times, which is why I was saying I like the plastic. But this time I was like, let me be smart and pin this up. And it just made it such an easy put on. This is what the hair looks like, touched or anything before I get into these curls. But of course I gotta mess them up because it's me. I like undefined curls, but I wanted y'all to see what it looked like defined as well. I was super impressed by the minimal tangling and shedding. You can see my hands running through the hair here. It was just gliding through. Like, I mean, it's still big curly hair, so don't get me wrong. You still will have minimal tangling and shedding. But for the type of hair that it is, listen, this hair was pretty low in maintenance. And I've had some tighter curly wigs, and they have given me issues. But this one, not so much. See, this is why I love Myfirstwig. They always bring the quality. Now, you know I had to pull the headband past my edges to represent for my girls who don't like their hairline out. I didn't forget about y'all. I got a little forehead, so I don't always think that looks the best on me, but you can still get a feel for how it may look on you if that's how you like to wear your headbands. And now we're ready to try on headband number 1. So this headband, I actually realized I already had this headband from another wig I did for Myfirstwig. So I guess now I just got an extra backup just in case I lose one. I really like this one because it's like super tropical looking. It's just really cute to me. So I wanted to go ahead and, try some different styles so y'all can see how that looks. And the first one I'm going to do is a low bun. I actually haven't done a low bun yet. And that's really just because I haven't had the wig for a low bun I felt just yet. All of mine have either been kind of shorter or straight, and I just feel like the low bun would have been perfect with this big curly hair because it's got so much volume. Now this headband, as well as the next headband you'll see me try on in a little bit, they're both add-ons you can add on to your purchase if you pick up a wig from Myfirstwig's headband collection. They also have this and more on the site, so you can check that out if you want to add headbands on to your purchase, as well as the edge control and the edge brush and the wig kits. Now, I wouldn't be me if I didn't show y'all the half up, half down style. That is like my favorite look to do with my headband wigs. Like, it doesn't even matter what kind. I just love it in the half up, half down style. And because this has so much volume, you can add a little razzle dazzle to the half up, half down by putting the top ponytail into a top knot. I also tried putting it in a bun, and I really love this in a bun because it's just got so much volume being curly that it just makes the bun just pop. Like, I love this like curly, messy kind of bun look. Like, this wig is just serving so much volume, and it's only 130% density, but it seems like you get so much more. Like, look at me. I look like I'm doing housework, but I'm cute. So the next style I wanted to do was a mid ponytail. I think that's like really cute for the gym. I took mine off to do this because, well, it was just easier to do it off my head than on my head. The back kept coming up with my ponytail, so I did it that way. You guys, this wig is just so bomb. If you're interested, the details and links will be down in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.